everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into managing tasks and files within your work groups, and by the end, you will have all the insights you need. If you're working on team project or collaboration, you will want to make sure everyone stay organized, on track, and has access to the right resources. That's exactly what we are going to cover today. So grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's get started. Let's begin with tasks. One of the biggest challenge for teams is keeping track of the everything that needs to be done. And this is where Bitrix24 task management really shines. Inside any work group, you can create tasks, assign them to team members, and keep everyone accountable. To create a task, simply click on the create task. First, we will open this work group. Just click on the task option. Here is the create option. We have to give the task name task for training. Also, you can add the description related to that task and the person you are assigning it to. So here is you can set the assignee for this particular task. Let's say you are creating a task for your team to review the presentation. You can assign it to specific team members, okay, and set a due date, that is deadline. I'm setting the deadline about 31st Jan, and even attach any necessary file or document from this option. Here is the file option. You can add the necessary files or document to this particular task. You can also set the priority for this particular task. Here is the positive yes. After clicking on this option, this will the high priority. So you can set the high priority for this particular task, so everyone knows what needs to be tackled first. Once task is created, now I'm just adding this task. Now our task has been added. Once tasks are created, tracking their progress is super easy. Bitrix24 provides several ways to see how things are going, and the best part is that it's all visible to everyone in the work group. As the task progresses, you can update the status also. Here is the list option, you can see all the tasks. Also, here is the Kanban option. In the stage wise, you can see multiple tasks. Also, we will you will see the options like to do, in progress, and completed. Now we have the three stages, that is new, in progress, and finished, so that we will all notify that all the tasks are in the new stage or in the in progress or finished. This allows everyone to instantly know that what's being worked on and what still needs attention. You can also leave in comments within the task, ask questions, and update progress. If you are waiting on feedback from the team member, you can mention them at the symbol option to the get notified. So let's quickly open this task. Now, if you want to add the checklist for this particular task, then you can add the checklist here. Also, you can add the participant and you can notify the particular checklist for the employee. So just like that, they can notified by that at the rate option, and they will know what's going on in this particular task. For more complex projects, you can even set up a task dependencies. In the more section, in the more section, we can make dependent tasks, subtasks, and projects related to the particular task. Simply links tasks together. So we have to create this task dependency. Let's say task A must be completed before task B. Here is the option, that is dependent task. I'm just adding the task. I'm adding the task, that is task 1 to 3. Let's say Task A must be completed before the task B. With dependencies, you will have all the clear view of the tasks related to and which ones need to be done first. This keeps everyone on track without confusion. Now I'm saving these changes. Additionally, you can break down large tasks into subtasks. Here also, you will get the option for the subtask. You can create multiple subtasks into the task. Here is the option that is subtask of. You can add the task name and save the changes. This helps divide the work into smaller manageable parts. For example, if you have a big task like create and something that is task for training, and for each section like research and planning and the execution, this way every team member knows their part in the large projects. Now that we have covered tasks, let's talk about the files. Workgroup in Bitrix24 are great for storing and sharing documents that everyone on the team needs access to. Gone are the days of searching through endless emails for the right file. Everything you need is organized and easily accessible. To upload a file, simply click on the upload option. Here's the download drive option. Here you can simply add any file from your local disk. Whether it's document, spreadsheet, image, or presentation, you can upload it directly into your workgroup. You can add a description to the file and to make sure everyone knows what it's for. Once the file is uploaded, everyone in the workgroup will be able to access it. You can even assign specific files to related tasks so everything stay in sync. Now I'm uploading one file here for them. Here is also you will get the option to create an folder, and you can create a file for the particular work group. You can add a description to the file to make sure everyone knows what it's for. So just like that, you can add the files into your work group. Bitrix24 allows you to organize files into folders, which makes it easy to find exactly what you are looking for. Let's say you are working on a marketing campaign and you can create folders like strategies, designs, and reports to keep everything organized. This helps prevent a cluttered file space and ensure your team can quickly access the right document. And if you need to find something fast, Bitrix24 has a built-in search of functions. You can search by keywords, by file name, or even by the uploaded the file, saving your valuable time. Finally, let's talk about the file permission. You can set up the file permission for the particular files, so you can control who sees that files. Whether you upload a file, you can control whether it's available to everyone. You can assign the permissions to the particular employees from this menu. These ensure that sensitive documents are only accessible to the right team members. So there you have it. Managing tasks and files within the Bitrix24 workgroup is simple and incredibly effective for keeping your team organized and on track. Whether you are assigning tasks, tracking progress, or sharing important files, Bitrix24 provides the tools you need to collaborate efficiently. The task management system lets you stay on top of everything, while the file management tools ensure your team has easy access to resources they need. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you understand how to manage tasks and files within Bitrix24's workgroup. If you have got any questions or want to see more features in action, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video. Thank you.